got a 65 Dodge Coronet with a slant 6. That always fools you, you see Coronet 440, you think it's got a 440 and it's got a slant 6. Very good motor, man. You got a big car here, you can cruise down the highway with this slant 6, no problem. It's right in that happy spot at 70 miles an hour. Get great gas mileage. So, it's got the original build sheet here and everything. Single master cylinder, no power brakes or nothing. This was your business car, man, your business coupe. Now, some of the maniacs back in the Jersey Garden Car Parkway, they'd get the 440s, Magnums, and be coming out of the toll booth, freaking flooring it. But this is like if you had to travel to the city back in the 60s, and you had a long ways to go. You got ashtrays in the back there too. You got a four-door, plenty of room. Cruise down the highway with this, no problem, man. In comfort, quietness, and good economy. Those 225 slant 6s, sometimes they never come apart, man. They had the 170, the 198, and the 225. Originally it was the 170. Basically, the 225 is a stroke 170. They had to put it on a slant because they get it under the hood because it's got more. It's actually an over square bore, because typically engines are a bigger bore than stroke.
I love the paperwork. You did a marvelous job keeping that stuff.
And this one you got a bigger stroke than a bore, so it's got more torque. And it gets happy merely around 2,500 RPM, so it's got a lot of its torque in the mid-range is right when you're out on the highway. So it'll move this big car down the highway, no more problem. And that's why they went to a 225, because cars started getting bigger and heavier, and they wanted an economy car that was a full-size car. So that's why they came out to 225 and stroked the 170 from to 225. You had the 198 in between that too. So it's a great motor, man. It's a great motor in a truck too.